Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering documents and opening the app. Do this now so you don't pause mid-process. Once done, confirm the SIM is registered in your name and keep your new Cnic and any old ID ready. Make sure to note your account ID and screenshot the account page for quick reference. Then head to an official Easypaisa agent or branch. This is the only way for a legal Cnic change, so go directly to an authorized location rather than attempting in-app edits. At the agent, hand over your new Cnic and any supporting ID. You must present originals for verification. You will fill a Cnic update form and sign consent. This captures why the change is requested. Expect biometric verification or an OTP sent to your registered SIM. This ensures the account owner authorizes the change. The agent then submits the request into Easypaisa's backend. Once submitted, the process moves to internal review, so remain available for any callback or SMS prompts. After submission, you wait for a confirmation SMS. Once it arrives, you should immediately open the app and confirm the Cnic shows under your profile. If no confirmation appears within 48 hours, contact Easypaisa at 4772 or go back to the same agent with the transaction receipt and reference number. If the Cnic shows incorrect data, bring originals, request a correction, and escalate with a formal complaint. If you suspect identity theft, file a police report and inform Easypaisa.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.